So hello everyone, welcome to Programming Knowledge. In today's video, we will see how we can implement a rewarded ad into a Flutter application using AdMob. We will show the AdMob ads into a Flutter application. In the last video, I have already displayed two types of ad, banner and teaser. Now in this video, we will learn how we can implement rewarded ads. So without wasting any time, move on to our topic. So I have made some modification into our application, and that is this. Now you can see it basically I made it as a coin. Like basically we will earn some reward, so the reward will be added into our coins. And on click of this floating action button, we will show the ad. I'll also change this API testing to reward ad. Then we'll start with a coding. So rewarded ad. Now we don't need this bottom navigation bar anymore. So now what we'll do, we will just make one method which will show ad. Similarly, we will make one method which will load ads. So let's just make that method load ad. Now come to the top, and after the coins, write rewarded ad. This can be null and write ads. Then come to the load ad section. Now over here you are going to write rewarded ad dot load. So it will ask for the unit ID, then it will ask for the ad request, then it will ask for the rewarded ad callback. So over here you can see it is saying for the when the ad will be loaded. So when the ad will be loaded, we will get it from the user side. We will get it from the server side. Just add it. Now what we will do, we will write ads equals to ad. Done. And on the fail of ad load, over here we will pass that ad and error. So like we will only get the error, so like you can print the error and reload the ad. So it's done. So basically we loaded our ad successfully. Now we have to give the ad unit ID. So let's go to the package again. Let's go to the Chrome and use the rewarded ad. So we will use this one and just paste it over here. So it's done. Now after loading ad, we will show the ad, but before that come over to the top and just below the rewarded ad, call the init state method. Then after calling it, call the loaded method, and done. Now below the show ad, like below the load ad, I am going to show the ad, and over here it will check if ads equals to null. Okay, if the ads it's null, or if the ad is not null, what you do, you will add full screen content block is equals to full screen content block callback basically, and it is saying that there will be, we have to add a null check, then we have to add the semicolon. Then what we are going to do in this step, we have so many options, like on ad dismiss, on ad click, on ad fail to show full screen content, on ad show. So when the ad will be shown, what we are going to do, when the ad will be shown, so we will use ads.dispose, and maybe it's giving some, okay, add a null check, not ads, ad.dispose, and then load the ad again. After that, on ad fail to show content, so this time it will take ad and error both. Okay, it won't take the ad, yeah, it is taking. Then we are going to print the error and ad dot dispose it and load the ad again. So in similar ways it will be going on And you can also do this on ad dismiss. When the ad will be dismissed, just add.dispose and load the ad again. Now, after the ads, you can going to write ads.show on user earn reward me. We are going to write what it will take basically. It will take a function. Okay. In the function will take at without view add, and it will also take one reward item and it will return. Now you have to add the null check over here. And over here we are going to add the coins by item dot amount. So it's in int, so we are here going to do int dot pass what as int, and we will basically set state. Okay, so in this way the ad will be shown. Or else instead of this you can write to int, so it will simply make it to int. Now just call the show ad method on this and it is done. Just run the application, go to the end. So let's take this, run the. Now we just have to click on show ad and the ad is started to showing. It is a test ad, don't worry. After that, reward in 0 seconds. So now click on this. So the reward is not added. So maybe there is some kind of issue. So the error is basically the ad is not able to get shown like fully. Whenever the ad is shown, at that time only the ad is getting disposed. So that's why we are not able to add the reward. So when it is going to dispose, when the user click on the dismiss, so we don't have to load the ad. So you can keep it empty or you can remove it. It doesn't affect anything. So just go to the app again and wait for some time and click on rewarded ad. So the rewarded ad will start. Now click on dismiss. Now you can see that 10 coins is added. The number of time we have watched the ad, the number of time it will increase itself. So I hope you have liked this video, because in this video we have learned how we can implement the rewarded ad. So thank you for watching till now.